So you may be wondering why I have no makeup on and why I look like an absolute like I'm dressed, but my face is not done, and that's because I'm actually going to a Lime Crime photo shoot right now where they're gonna do my makeup, and I'm gonna be demoing a new product, and I'm gonna be on their little ad campaign, and I'm super excited. This is the first time I'm doing something like this, so I'm super hyped. I really should have done my nails first because they kind of look gross. They told me to wear pink and bring pink accessories, so I'm bringing my moonstick selfie stick because I'm an actual nerd. And yeah, so I'm gonna go jump in the car and I'm gonna try and vlog as much as I can. This vlog won't come out until the product comes out because they told us to do that, but you'll probably see some stuff on my Instagram. And anyway, I don't know, I'm excited. I'm super scared and happy, and I'll talk more about the experience afterwards, but let's go. We're going to Lime Crime, guys. They're giving me makeup. Hey guys, okay, so I'm here in the Lime Crime offices and look how freaking pretty it is in here. I'm going to die. Look at this. There's roses everywhere, and there's like a giant rose, and there's like a giant sign, and there's this girl who's really nice. And she gave me things, and I'm happy. Okay, so I just got done with the shoot. It was really fun. I'm a nervous mess, and I will talk about everything more later, and yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna be a nerd in the offices now because it's really pretty in here and I want to look around. Okay, so this lovely human let me pick out whatever I wanted. Say thank you to her for all of the content you're about to get. Guys, look. Okay guys, I'm back. It's been like a week. The Lime Crime Bushy Brow Gel actually came out yesterday, and I just wanted to come up and show you guys how I use it personally, or like how I use it now after they showed me how to use it. Technically, you're supposed to make like really bushy brows, like more of a messy look, but I already have like super defined brows, so I don't do it that way. So what I actually do is, once my brows are combed, even actually before they're combed, like they're not combed right now. So here is my brow with nothing on it. What I do is I take the brow pen, I use Smoky, and I just outline my brow on the top and on the bottom. And then kind of fill it in a bit, making little hair strokes as I go. Those ones were a little harsh, but don't worry, we can clean it up later. So I basically make an Instagram brow with this product because it's just easier for me. What I like about this product though is that it will stay on forever. Like, my brow will never smudge or ever go away once this sets. So after I fill in the brow and everything with the pen, I take the Stronghold Gel, again in Smoky, and I kind of blend everything together and also just comb down my brow so it stays put. Like so. See? There we go. But yeah, look at that comparison. This is with the Precision Brow Pen and Brow Gel, and this is nothing. This is me waking up. But it's super fast, like watch, I'll do it without any narration now. There, see? Totally easy. So another thing I discovered while I was filming with them is that this pen is super great for making fake freckles that will go on top of your makeup and actually look good, which has always been a super big problem for me. Either I use a pencil and I don't like the look, like it doesn't look natural, or I use like a product like Freck, which is designed to make fake freckles, but it doesn't work well on top of makeup. It usually disrupts my makeup. So what I'll do is I'll take a color that's much lighter than me. This is Redhead actually. And I'll just go across my face and make a bunch of little dots, like as messy as possible. And then just use my finger to blend and pat them in. And you don't even need to set them with powder, but I do run a little bit of powder over on top of them to like make them a bit more subtle. So I make a bunch of big ones and also a bunch of really tiny ones. So it blends really well. I'm not gonna do too many. I'm actually running late for work and I'm like totally rushing right now. But yeah, and I also make sure to go all the way up, because if you only do it on your cheeks, it's gonna look stupid. I'll get closer so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so those are all the freckles I want. Then I just take my powder brush from when I did my makeup earlier and I just brush over it to kind of like make it all blend nicely. And I could have honestly done a better job, but like I am so in a rush right now, so. But I have done it where they look like totally cute and natural. And these look okay, but they could have been better. There you go. Really cute fake freckles. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming with Lime Crime, especially since it was a really cool product and one I was actually kind of being really intrigued by. Thank you for the Lime Crime team for using me in your campaign and letting me come to your headquarters. It was really, really fun. It was a great experience and I'll never forget it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I actually have a little giveaway because Lime Crime gave me way too much stuff. I'm going to be giving away a full pack of their Bushy brow pins and gels and a Dream Girl set of lipsticks. I think it's a Diamond Crusher, a Velveteen, and a metallic in here. So I'm gonna be giving these away. All you have to do is comment Brow Game on Point on this video or on my Lime Crime campaign picture, which I'll be posting on my Instagram very soon. Maybe not today, but very soon. Keep an eye out and go follow me on there. Also, you have to be following me on Instagram and YouTube. And just keep commenting. I'll pick a winner probably by next week. The next time a video comes, either next week or the next time I post a video, I'll be picking a winner and I'll announce them on my Instagram. So keep your eyes peeled. Please subscribe to me if you want to see more great content. Because I mean, this is obviously great content. Who doesn't love this? Thanks for watching. Like this video if you liked it. Please subscribe like I said earlier. And yeah, thanks so much for watching guys. Love you. Bye.
Again.